Hey there, welcome back. There is nothing better than the smell of freshly baked muffins. So, today I'm sharing 7 easy muffin recipes that are soft, delicious, and perfect for every mood. So, without wasting time, let's bake together. Okay, so do you ever get that feeling when you have been craving something for so long, but you just never get time to make it? And then finally, the moment you do get time, you go all in and just make it. So that was me with these muffins. I've been craving them for so long, and I decided the first thing I'd make once I was back home was this. And honestly, they turned out so freaking delicious. This is actually my first time ever making muffins, and I still don't know why I never tried them before. So, don't make the same mistake. Try these at home because you're going to love them. And maybe even love yourself a little more. Because, same. I think I love myself more now. I hope you really try this recipe. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye. Share this with someone who is coffee paglu. I have been obsessed with trying different muffin variations lately, and this time I made coffee muffins. And honestly, I kept thinking, why didn't I try this before? They are soft, rich, and have that perfect coffee flavor in every bite, like a cafe style treat at home. If you're a coffee lover, you're going to love this one. It's super easy to make and perfect for those days when you're craving something sweet with your coffee. And trust me, once you try these, you'll keep coming back to them again and again. So good. You have to try this recipe, literally. Who doesn't love a muffin that's chocolate from the inside out? Rich chocolate batter, melty dark chocolate, creamy white chocolate. Every single bite is packed with chocolate. So, if you're having one of those days when only something really chocolatey will do, bake these triple chocolate muffins. They are super easy to make, have those beautiful bakery style tops, and taste even better when they are still warm. Because sometimes the best kind of therapy is a homemade chocolate muffin. है ना? That day I was feeling really gloomy. So, those days when nothing feels quite right, and instead of overthinking everything, I decided to bake. I had a couple of bananas at home, added some chocolates, and made these banana chocolate muffins. The smell filling the kitchen, watching them rise in the oven, and that first warm bite, it somehow made the day feel a little lighter. I was craving something sweet, but I didn't want to spend hours making dessert. So I reached for the simplest thing I could think of, muffins. These are so delicious. I made vanilla Nutella muffins using basic pantry ingredients, and they turned out so soft, fluffy, and perfectly chocolatey with that gooey Nutella center. Honestly, they tasted like something straight from a bakery. So, if you are craving dessert without all the effort, this recipe is finally worth trying. I don't know, every freaking time. Kichu kichu. So I wanted to make marble cake today, but I ended up making this. And did I tell you these are regular? At this point of time, if someone said I'm obsessed with muffins, I would gladly take it as a compliment because why not? They are so easy to make, so comforting, and honestly, how can you not try baking these at home? You know those days when you're feeling a little low and all you want is something rich, chocolatey, and comforting, but instead of ordering dessert, you decided to bake because honestly, homemade just hits different. So today I made muffins, a brownie baked in a muffin shape. They are the best of both worlds, a crackly brownie top, a soft muffin shape, and the fudgiest gooey center. And I'm not even exaggerating, these turned out so good, warm, intensely chocolatey, perfectly chewy, and with melted chocolate in every bite. It's the kind of dessert that makes you stop after the first bite and think, yep, I absolutely nailed this. Muffins. So that's it for today. I hope you loved these muffin recipes as much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope we stay connected. Bye.